In this video, we are going to learn to write a Python program which will take an input and then calculate sum until that particular number. So let's get started. The very first step is the goal. This program is to calculate sum until entered number n. What would be the input? The input is number, and what is the output? The output is going to be sum until that number. So the steps for the program will be, first we'll take the input, so we'll say number equal to, and now because we are taking the whole number, we are going to take int input, enter the entered number. Now we have to calculate sum until that particular number. So first we will go until that number and print that number. And as we learned last time, for printing the number we can use a for loop. So here we can say index, that is how it is going to calculate range until that particular number. So here we are going to say until that whatever number, and then we have semicolon, and we are going to say print. Let's first print the number. The number equal to our index, because index, every time the loop is iterating or going through that, the index is the one that is taking the number. Let's print it first. We'll say 5 for example, and we can see that it is number is taking from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here index is storing the iteration number as a variable. Now one thing we have to learn is, because the for loop starts with 0, we have to, while printing, we are going to increment 1 plus 1, and here now we can see 5, the number is going until 5. So that is part 1 of our solution. Now while it is going through, we have to get the sum. As we saw last time, we can take the variable sum variable equal to, we start with 0 because in this bucket we store 0 initially. Now every time we are going through the loop, we are going to add that number. So we can write index plus 1. This is one way, because index plus 1 is storing the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we can, after the loop is complete, we can print it sum until the number equal to whatever number we have entered, and then we are going to equal to our sum variable for number equal to, and we can now print it. There is some error. F, what is the, is saying unterminated string lateral, because we have to end with double quotes. And now we can run it, enter number 5. We can see the number sum until the number is equal to 15 for number 5. So that is nothing but 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, and we can run it for another number, say 10. This is 55 as we saw last time, and we can run for 100. So here at the end we can see the output. With that, we are able to learn two concepts here. One, we are able to take the input and then pass it on to for loop and then perform the operation of sum. Thank you.